So summer is here. Let me talk about few things that you should do and not do to keep your skin healthy in summer. So this is Dr. Sukhsagar et al. Always worrying and always want your skin to be healthy. Session I would be talking about few habits which you should be avoiding, like touching your face to wipe off sweat or washing your face again and again. And I would be talking about what products you can use. I will be talking what diet you should follow, and also there are certain myths and certain things that you should know about summer skincare. Most of you must be have started pulling out your scarves, trying to cover the skin and protect it from sun. Is that enough? So carrying a scarf and protecting it, is that enough protection? Well, let me tell you, it is not. So most of the people I've seen, they avoid sunscreen in summer, saying that it's too oily. So you have to apply sunscreen in summers as well, and you choose a water-based sunscreen. So water-based sunscreen will not make your skin oily. Repeatedly every 2 hours you have to apply the sunscreen. Then talking about foods which you have to eat in summers and which you should avoid. So you should eat drink lot of water, because hydration is very important. Our skin sweats a lot, so you're losing a lot of water through your skin. So it's very important to keep yourself hydrated, like lot of water. Add cucumber, lime and mint leaves in the water in your water bottle. And of course do not drink from plastic bottles, because heat will make that plastic from the bottle mix with your water. So carry glass bottles, or do not use plastic bottles basically. So also in those bottles add few slices of lime, few leaves of mint, and you can also add other things like cinnamon and other things before you drink the water. Other things like lime juice is very good, thandai, which is very good. So these are few things which you should be drinking a lot in summers, like fresh juices and all. They work very well for the skin. Now avoid spicy and oily foods, because you sweat a lot in summers and it clogs your pores. So avoid this spicy and oily kind of a food as much as you can. Eat light and fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, salads. These are very good. Then they also have water in them. Watermelon, if you can find good ones, they are also very good for hydration, because remember, you lose a lot of water in summers. Then talking about the products, what I always do is I carry a micellar water or thermal water bottle in my purse. So every time you travel somewhere, you just keep spraying your face with that micellar or thermal water, so that your skin doesn't get dehydrated. Okay, what will happen if your skin will get dehydrated? Basically it will lose water and it will age faster. So you'll get those fine lines and wrinkles much quickly if you do not keep your skin hydrated. Now most of you will start skipping moisturizers because it's very sweaty. That is another wrong thing to do. When we do not apply moisturizer, our skin thinks that it's dry and it starts producing more oil from within. So you have to use a moisturizer during the day and even before sleeping. Only thing it has to be according to your skin. Let me talk about another thing. Summer is generally associated with skin being oily. These days there are a lot of people walking in my clinic complaining of dryness. Skin is extremely dry, skin is extremely itchy, they are having a lot of allergies on their faces and bodies. So this is very common in this season. So how to avoid that? You should keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. Like I have to moisturize skin in this weather like 5 times, because it's very dry these days. There is not enough hydration. So in your body also apply lots of moisturizer, keep it hydrated, drink lots of water. And just in case there's a rash, there is itchiness, do not itch it. I would rather tell you to apply a good amount of moisturizer. You can mix a drop of Fusibit ointment in it rather than itching it, because if you itch your skin, it will become more scaly and dry. And do not touch your face. So what happens is, because हम अपना मुंह बार बार धोते हैं, so every time we use a face wash, ideally face wash को दिन में 2 बार यूज करना चाहिए। जितनी बार भी आप फेस वॉश यूज करते हैं उसके बाद मॉइस्चराइजर लगाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, अगर हम मॉइस्चराइज नहीं लगाते तो स्किन को लगता है कि वो ड्राई है, वो अंदर से और ऑयल प्रोड्यूस करती है. सो एवरी टाइम यू वॉश योर फेस विद अ फेस वॉश, फॉलो इट अप विद अ गुड मॉइस्चराइजर. एंड लेट मी अगेन summarize all the summer things for you. Drink plenty of water, other fluids like so khaskhas is very good, and this thandai, lime water, these are few things which you can keep drinking the whole day so that your body is hydrated, because remember we lose buckets of water through our sweat, so you have to compensate with drinking fluids. Number 2, use a good quality moisturizer morning and night अगर आपकी skin oily है तब भी. Sunscreen like water based sunscreen, अब दिन में every 2 hours you have to use it. Then avoid wrong habits like touching your face, washing your face again and again with face wash without using a moisturizer. And remember, your skin is going to be itchy and dry in this season also, so we have to protect it and we have to keep it healthy.